Good morning from Brokopondo, Centrale. Today is Sunday and I'm trying something new. I'm going to make Sunday my official. Every time I come here, I have this urge to jump from the bridge. I don't know if it's very safe or a good idea though, but one day I will jump from this bridge. The water looks really nice too. There's a control post further ahead. I don't know what they're going to do, but this is due to the recent corona pandemic. So we made it past the mandatory checkup. I thought they were going to scan us, but I guess they were too lazy to do that. Behind me though is the Van Bloemensteinmeer, one of the biggest lake in Suriname. It's a little detour on our way home, and we stumbled upon a creek, but it seems to be already occupied by people, and this wasn't the original plan. Our plan was to go to Brownsberg Nature Reservoir, but the road we weren't able to drive the road because the road was too muddy because it rained the whole weekend. That's where we came across this creek, and it looks pretty nice. It's a nice creek. Might come here more often.